Hello and good evening. Many congratulations to everyone who cleared the ACCA 2023 June exam. But there would be many who could not clear it. The first thing I'll say is, don't worry. Nobody in the world exists who has never seen failures. That's fine. If today you have got a failure, next quarter it will be a party time for you. This is not a permanent situation. But now with every failure, there are certain aspects which you need to learn, which you need to improve. Now you will be stuck at this point of time, how to improve, where to start from. So the best part is, now you are given your performance report of the exam. You all must have got that. Read that report carefully. The examiner would have clearly identified if your time management was not at the point, your practice was not at point, or your conceptual knowledge application didn't go well. How much time you spent on which section, every detail is there in your performance report. See that first. Now what next? So this is a general video which I am talking about all the papers, how to start with, and after this subject wise videos will be there to guide you how in a particular paper you need to move ahead. So first let's just talk general. You need to have an answer of 4 or 5 questions. If you did those practices, then how to proceed? So the first question which you need to ask yourself is, did you practice the complete exam kit? Or BPP revision kit, whatever you are using? Did you practice this exam kit completely? So why I am asking this question is, there have been cases in ACCA when something didn't actually look important, but the paper got that question, that too for 15 to 20 marks. PM balance scorecard is one of the biggest examples. FR, a paper without a consolidation question in section C, another example. So there is no pattern. We cannot say if a particular topic was asked in the previous attempt, then in this attempt, this question cannot come, or this topic cannot be asked. This pattern setting should not be done. So the first thing which you have to do is in-depth study without bothering, without keeping in mind what is important, what is not important, what came in the previous attempt, what didn't come in the previous attempt. There is no pattern, anything can come. And especially students who failed at 47, 48, 49, you all can understand the pain of getting 2 to 3 marks. If you would have studied those non-important chapters, then probably you would have been at 50. So do not filter the syllabus. You have good 40-45 days in your hand. At least at this point of time, do everything which is there in the syllabus. So important questions are to be seen, or important parts of the syllabus are to be seen for revision. But revision has to be for everything, right? So the first thing, the first question you need to ask yourself is, did you complete the exam kit? Did you study all the concepts? These are the 2 things which you need to have an answer on in the first instance. Now the answer can be no. That means now you need to practice exam kit completely. The answer can be yes. Then let's go to the next question. Did you give the mocks? Mocks and tests are very important for passing any examination. Why? Mocks tackle time management issues with students. You learn how to manage time. You learn how to handle a paper which will have the whole syllabus covered. That means the coverage of the syllabus will not be from 1 chapter or 2 chapters. It will be from the complete syllabus. So these mocks teach you a lot of things. If you have not given mocks, then this is the feedback. You should practice some mocks. And if you have already done that, then let's come to the third part of it. Are all your concepts clear? Now, how do you get to know that your concepts are clear or not? If out of any 10 questions, you are able to solve 6 questions from the exam kit, that means your concepts are good to go. But if out of 10 you are not able to do even the 50% of the questions, then there is some conceptual problem. You need to improve on your concepts. So try to find out first what the exact problem is because of which you may not have cleared the exam. Once this problem is got, then you can work upon it. At the end, I'll say nothing is permanent. No success is permanent, no failure is also permanent. And as I always say, carry those guts to handle failure also. Now you have to learn something from this failure to become polished chartered accountants. That means if there is something you are lacking in, let's improve that. Next set of videos will be paper-wise suggestions, how you can go ahead with your practice now. If you haven't cleared FR, how you can start studying FR. If you haven't cleared PM, then how to go ahead with PM now. Because if 40 days are left, then you need to strategize it well. How to do that? The next set of videos will relate to subject-wise advice only. Try this, maybe it helps you out. Till the time, you have to improve yourself. Not panicking, not crying, not being demotivated. One day when you will be chartered accountants, you will feel proud of yourself. That you failed, again got up, again ran, and won the race. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much and take care.